Hi and welcome to this online demonstration of how to install James Hardie Axon Cladding. Today I'm going to show you how to install Axon to get a clean look that's built to last. So safety first guys, make sure you always wear a P1 or P2 dust mask, standard PPE. Make sure you're always cutting outside in a well ventilated area. Tell people in the immediate area that there will be dust and never cut indoors. When using a power saw, make sure you always have a dust extraction system attached to the saw. For more details, check out the James Hardie safety data sheet. Now I'm going to break down the installation process into 5 easy steps. Okay, so step 1, set up your datum line to get the underside of your boards nice and straight and level. And always ensure that if you've got soil or a non-sealed surface, you need at least 150 cover from the base of your board. If it's a sealed surface like decking or pavers, you can just have a 50mm cover from the base of the board. So step number 2, plan where each board's going to land and then install the foam backing strip at that joint. Just remember to do it over the Hardie wrap and it's not required on a steel frame. Okay, when doing your prep, it's really important to get your window flashings right. Make sure you got your head flashing in and sarking tape the sarking to the window so it's all prepped and sealed properly. Okay, step number 3, installing the board. So measure your opening, cut your board to suit. Make sure you install the underlap sheet first. Step number 4, apply the James Hardie joint sealant with a 3mm diameter bead down the underlap of the shiplap joint. Okay, now you can install your next sheet and just wipe any excess sealant before it dries. Okay, so step 5, just repeat that process and make sure you wipe off any excess sealant as you're going. Okay, and we're done. So as you can see, the Axon cladding looks great. You just have to choose your paint color and remember it's already pre-primed, so it's ready to accept any acrylic paint. Thanks for watching this online demonstration of how to install James Hardie Axon Cladding. For more information, check out the Axon installation manual.